I'm Ray, and this is my vegetable garden. And this channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with some flowers and some DIY projects. So please join me, that'd be great. But today, we're going to look at what seeds we've got with Grow Your Own magazine and Kitchen Garden magazine. And if you're new to my channel, you might even see a slight difference in my polytunnel. But we'll look at that another day. So let's go and check out what seeds we got in the magazines for November. We can claim strawberries, 10 free strawberry plants, worth £48. So, good pack of the seeds in here. So let's have a look at what we got. So we've got a few packs. So go. So what we've got salad leaves, mixed spicy leaves, easy to grow in containers, approximately 250 seeds. These can be sown all year round. So we've just got some trays, managed to pick these trays up from the garden centre recycling bin, so we can try some of those in the trays. We've got okra, and this is Crimson Spineless, an ideal Indian cuisine. And I'll give you a brief look of our okra we've got in the polytunnel. And we've got salad leaf amaranth. This can be sown all year round, used as a micro salad or baby leaf. So this is a new one to try. Harvest all year round. Good vitamins A, B6, C, K and folate. So we can give that a go. Kale, dwarfed green curled, require no supports. So that's a good one. Fresh screens in the depth of winter. These can be sown May to June, plant out June, July, harvest November to February. Broccoli, purple sprouting broccoli. So April to May, 750 seeds. Lettuce, salad bowl. This can be sown February to July. Easy to pick leaves as required. 100,000 seeds in here. So that's good going. And parsley, Italian giant, a vigorous hardy variety. So I might have a go at some parsley. We've not done parsley. This is so March to June. So that would be quite interesting. Large, aromatic, bright green, plain leaves. So I'd like to have a go at that one. And we've got some beetroot. And this is a traditional Italian beetroot. I'm not even going to say the name of it. But this is 300 seeds, unusual coloured roots and inner rings. So that's quite interesting, seeing the colours. So that's the seeds we got from Kitchen Garden magazine, and these were the magazines purchased from Tesco's, as different supermarkets do provide different seeds. But this review is the seeds we got from the packs from Tesco's. So that's quite good. So let's have a look at what we got for Grow Your Own magazine. So on Grow Your Own magazine, you get 2 times patio raspberries, sweet sunshine, worth £19.98. So how to start your no-dig garden with Charles Dowding, might be an interesting read. So let's have a look at what seeds we got. So we've got a few seeds with the Grow Your Own magazine. And first of all, we've got purple sprouting broccoli. Easy to grow, very hardy. So this can be sown March to July. And we've got dwarf green curled kale. This is exactly the same we've got with the Kitchen Garden magazine. And it's along with the purple sprouting. We've got the same. so I can give some of these seeds away to my following neighbours. And we've got lettuce all the year round. We've just done some lettuce, and these can be done in October, September, so we can stick some of these into our cell trays. So that would be great. And Autumn Giant 2 leeks, an outstanding performer. These can be sown between March and May and harvest between September and December. And if you've just seen my video of my leeks pulled out, if not, I'll add a link above and we can have a look. And we've also got some cabbage. And this is Primo 11, ideal for small gardens. Solid heads, ideal for using in raw salads or coleslaw. A compact plant, suitable for all areas. So these can be sown indoors, February to March, or outdoors from March to July. So that's quite a good one. And we've got some herbs, and this is Siam Queen Basil. So that looks quite interesting. Perfect patio plant. So these can be sown from April through to October. So we might stick some of these in a cell tray and we'll give them a go. And we've also got lemon balm. This adds a zest of lemon to dishes. And these can be sown from March to May, harvest July to October. So one for the spring. And we've got a tomato. This is Orange Queen, round orange fruits. So these can be sown February to April, harvest July to October. High yields of large bright orange fruits, mild flavour and juicy with very few seeds. Ideal for slicing into salads. So they look a nice round tomato. Going to try and cut down on the tomatoes this year. And Elsa Craig onions, best for the show bunch. We've planted some Elsa Craigs, and these can be sown in a greenhouse from December, January, February, or sown directly outdoors in March. So looking forward to seeing our Elsa Craigs. And we've got some radish, and these are Scarlet Globe, a very popular variety. And these can be sown between March, May, June, July, and it's extremely popular and an easy variety to grow. So we might even try some of these in the polytunnel during the winter. They look quite interesting. So this is the seeds that Grow Your Own magazine has given. And there's some interesting seeds, but at least it gives you an idea of what to expect in the packets. So I'm going to try some of these. I'm going to plant some on in the cell trays that we've got, and we'll see what we've got. So in this tray, we're just going to put a few radishes in, and we can watch these grow during the month. As we're down south, the temperatures are still quite warm, and it's always warm in this polytunnel. Even though the outside temperature is 14, it's sure is warm in here today. So I'm going to stick this on the shelf, and we're going to do a few more of these seeds. We're going to do the lettuces and the basil. So in these ones, I'm doing the mixed spicy leaves, a couple of seeds in each cell, and we'll give these a go. So it's worth a try. And we need a label. Salad leaves. Or dump. So this is my okra that we've grown, and not looking the best of way, but yeah, it has got an okra on it, although we didn't harvest it. But this one has just literally got one fruit on an end of a stem, but we can say we grew some, but hey. So I hope you found that interesting. And as we said, those are the seeds that came available from Tesco's supermarket. So we've sown our seeds, we've done our review, having a coffee, and then we're off to work. So thank you very much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and ring that bell and get notifications when I post some more. And look forward to seeing the new video of the new polytunnel layout. As you can see, it's changed.